Hi, Martin Roberts from the telly here. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, hopefully bringing together the very best from the worlds of property and DIY to entertain, inspire and educate you. There's my property masterclass. That's starting you out on the journey with the fundamentals you need to become a property investor and somebody who renovates houses, potentially making themselves financially free. You can follow me as I do one of my own properties up for renovation. There's behind the scenes of filming homes under the hammer. And then on the DIY side, DIY projects for adults and also DIY ideas that young people can get involved in, along with some DIY hacks, those tricks of the trade, which I can hopefully pass on to you. They're all in playlists, so do enjoy them. Let me know anything that you want me to incorporate in the channel. And not forgetting that you can actually ask me questions on the Property Clinic. That's Ask Martin Monday on Twitter, but also you can ask via this channel. So lots for you to explore. Thank you for joining the channel, and I look forward to entertaining you, educating you and inspiring you in the months and years to come.